I'm going to show you something that's also going to be in the resources section that'll help you when it comes to selecting your brand colors, and that is Color Hunt. ColorHunt.co is a website where people can put together palettes of colors that look good together. And you can use a palette yourself if this is something that you like, or you can create your own palette, or you can just draw inspiration. So I love this because you can literally create a brand color package just by selecting one of these. People just put together colors that they think fit their taste or whatever look they're going for, and then it's here for others to come and take a look at and draw inspiration from. So one thing I like to do is I like to scroll through and just kind of look at the colors next to each other. This helps you to decide if you like the way something looks. And then whenever we get to Canva and we're creating our brand kit in Canva, it's helpful because they put the color code there for you. When you click on the color code, it copies it to your clipboard, and all you have to do is paste it into whatever platform you're using. So, for example, if I was creating a Word document and I wanted to change the color of my font to match this color purple here, but I wasn't sure, the exact color code just by looking at the color, you copy and paste that color code and you copy and paste it into the color palette in your Word document. So let's go here, showing you all my behind the scenes tricks here let's go to brand colors. So here, so typically you have this generic color palette to choose from, but if you go to custom, this is when you can put in your own hex code, or you can play around with the hue and select it here. But I'm going to copy and paste the color that I just copied from Color Hunt, and then there I have it. Oh, I love pastels. Anyone else? So there it is. I just copied and pasted that into my color, and it all worked out. So I hope that was helpful for you guys. We're going to play with Color Hunt a little bit more whenever we're creating our brand kit in Canva, but I just wanted to introduce it to you guys so that whenever you're selecting your brand colors, you can decide, easier by looking at these different palettes. You can compare and contrast. You can look at what's most popular. You can create your own. I love looking at colors. I think it's so fun. But that's pretty much it with this. I hope that your homework assignment is enjoyable. I think it's a very easy assignment. I'm going to catch you guys in the next portion of this module, and we are going to bring it all together.